In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to post videos to your discussions. Once your professor has set up the discussion, you go to the discussion and then you click on reply. You will be able to see that there is an editor panel here. Just click on the three dots here and find Studio in order to upload your video or record your video. Your professor may have used a traditional editor here. If you don't see it exactly like this, it could look like something like this. Let me just show you. It could look like this. The Studio will be buried under this V-shaped icon here. You click on the V shape and you can select Studio, and from that point on it's the same. Okay, now let's go to Studio, so to upload or record your video. So click on this three dot here, find Studio. If you want to record a video right here, you can do that fairly easily. You can record a webcam capture that will be you talking on the screen, and you can start record and then finish, and then you can view this video yourself. If you're happy with it, just click on save, and then you select this video once it's finished uploading. So now I can select it. It says the file you have uploaded is now available, so you can just embed it. Allow comments will allow people to comment on your videos. If you don't want that, you can just uncheck it. For this video, I'm going to leave this on, and then I'm going to embed this video, and then I will post my reply, and that became a video introduction in the discussion board. If you just want to upload a video that you have previously produced on your computer, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, so you can just click on reply here, and then click on the three dot and choose Studio again. You can now add a video. Okay, you browse for your file on your computer, and then you click on open, select it and open it. Once again, it's uploading. It may take a while, depends on how long the video is. Okay, so now it has finished uploading. So I'm going to select it and I embed it. Once again, I'm going to post it, and we have the video discussion of a video that I previously uploaded. A third option is for you to record a video right here within this discussion board, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Once again, you click on reply. So now you have a blank discussion reply space. Okay, so once again you go to the three dot here, find Studio, and now I'm going to show you how to record your screen. Okay, instead of webcam capture, click on record the screen, and you may be asked to download a plugin. I have already done that, so I'm going to click on open. Okay, so now you see there is a little recording window showing up here. So whatever I'm trying to record should be within this frame. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring out my PowerPoint or Google Slides, whatever you use, and I will move it. I'm sorry, I should move this corner of this to cover the corner of the presentation slide that I have. And in the right corner, I'm going to move it all the way to the bottom right corner, which you may not see on the screen right now. And then I have two options to record it. Let me just move this a little bit here so that you can see everything. And I can just drag this accordingly so that it appears on the screen. You can record the screen only as you present. Once you click on record, it will record whatever is happening within this frame. Okay, you can also have both that will show your talking head video in the corner as you are recording, so you can put it here at the top as well. And then you can start to record. It's going to give you a countdown, and if you want to demonstrate things, you can write on your screen. You can also turn on this little pencil tool, and you can start to scribble on the screen or point at the screen or just draw shapes on the screen as well as you demonstrate. Okay, and once it starts to record, it is being recorded right now. You can just move on to the next slide. Okay, and next slide, things like that. And once this is done, you click on this stop button here, pause button here, and then click on done, and then you give it a name, and you upload it, and it's going to upload to your screen. Okay, we'll wait here a little bit here, so it's now been uploaded. So now you see it is processing that video. So I'm going to click on select and embed this video and post this comment. You will now see a screen recording video of you doing the presentation to your class, so people can see it. I also like to comment on two comment options. If there's a specific thing you want to comment on the video, say you play here and you want to make a comment, you can just make a comment, and here it will comment at exactly at this time, okay, in the video. However, if you just want to comment generically, not at a particular place to a video, you can just click on reply and reply to the video in a way that is not specific to the timeline. Okay, I hope this helps. Thank you for watching.